Tired of traditional banking that feels like it's stuck in the last century? Do you crave a banking experience that's intuitive, rewarding, and truly puts you in control of your money, all from the palm of your hand? If you're a UK resident asking yourself that very question, you're in the right place. The UK digital banking scene has exploded in recent years, with challenger banks disrupting the old guard and offering innovative, app-first solutions. Two names consistently rise to the top of that conversation: Monzo and Chase UK. Both promise a revolution in how we manage our finances, but which one truly delivers on that promise? Which one is the best? That's precisely what we're here to uncover today. We're going to dive deep, dissecting every facet of Monzo and Chase UK, from their core features and hidden perks to their customer service, app experience, and even their approach to international spending. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which bank aligns perfectly with your financial needs and lifestyle. Let's start by setting the stage. What exactly are Monzo and Chase UK? Monzo, often hailed as one of the pioneers of the UK's challenger bank movement, launched in 2015. It quickly gained traction for its vibrant coral card and its incredibly user-friendly app, built from the ground up to make managing money simple and insightful. Monzo started as a prepaid card and rapidly evolved into a fully licensed bank, offering a comprehensive suite of services. It's particularly popular among those who love to budget and track their spending with precision. Then we have Chase UK. While a newer player to the British market, launching in 2021, Chase brings with it the formidable backing of JP Chase, one of the largest and most established banks in the world. This gives Chase a unique blend of digital innovation and the reassuring stability of a global financial powerhouse. Chase made a significant splash with its attractive cashback offers and a sleek, no-nonsense approach to banking. So, we have the established challenger versus the well-backed newcomer. The battle lines are drawn. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. First up, the basics: current accounts and fees. Both Monzo and Chase offer free current accounts with no monthly fees, which is a massive win compared to many traditional banks. This is a fundamental expectation of digital banking, and both deliver. They both provide a debit MasterCard, contactless payments, and support for Apple Pay and Google Pay. So far, so good. Now, let's talk about what truly differentiates them, their unique selling points and standout features. Monzo's strength lies in its budgeting and money management tools. The Monzo app is a masterclass in visualizing your spending. Instant spending notifications mean you always know where your money is going. Transactions are automatically categorized, making it incredibly easy to see your spending habits at a glance. But where Monzo truly shines is with its pots feature. Think of pots as digital envelopes for your money. You can create multiple pots for different savings goals, a holiday, a new gadget, an emergency fund, and even assign direct debits to come out of specific pots. This level of granular control is fantastic for budgeting and truly helps you save for specific goals. Monzo also offers a salary sorter feature, allowing you to automatically split your incoming salary into different pots for bills, savings, and spending money. And for those who often get paid by backs, Monzo offers Get Paid Early, giving you access to your salary a day before it officially lands. On the other side, Chase UK's major draw, especially when it first launched, was its reward system. For new customers, Chase offers 1% cashback on everyday debit card spending for the first 12 months, capped at £15 per month. While this offer has seen some adjustments and now requires a minimum monthly deposit of £1,500 after the initial 12 months to continue earning cashback, it can still be a significant perk for active spenders. Beyond cashback, Chase also has an impressive roundup feature, where your spare change from transactions is rounded up to the nearest pound and automatically transferred to a linked savings account. And here's the kicker: this roundup account currently offers a very competitive interest rate, often significantly higher than what you'd find on standard current accounts. This makes saving effortless and rewarding. Let's move to savings and interest rates. This is where things get a bit more varied. Monzo offers various savings options, including instant access savings pots with competitive AER, annual equivalent rate, interest. The interest rates can vary depending on whether you have a free Monzo account or one of their paid plans, Extra, Perks, or Max. For example, their instant access savings pots generally offer a decent variable interest rate, and if you opt for a paid plan like Perks or Max, you can unlock even higher rates. Monzo also has fixed-term savings pots for those looking to lock away their money for a set period at a guaranteed rate. Chase, as mentioned, has its appealing 5% AER variable on roundups, which is an excellent way to passively grow your savings. They also offer a linked saver account with a very competitive interest rate. So, if maximizing interest on your everyday savings is a priority, Chase definitely makes a strong case. Now, let's talk about international spending, a crucial factor for anyone who travels or shops online from abroad. Both Monzo and Chase offer fee-free spending abroad. This means you won't be charged extra fees for using your card to make purchases in foreign currencies. They both use MasterCard's exchange rate, which is generally very close to the mid-market rate, ensuring you get a fair deal. However, there are differences in ATM withdrawals abroad. With Monzo, if it's your main bank account and you deposit at least £500 a month and have an active direct debit, you can make unlimited fee-free withdrawals in the European Economic Area, EEA, and up to £400 per month fee-free outside the EEA. If you don't meet these criteria, there are limits before a 3% fee applies. Chase, on the other hand, generally offers fee-free ATM withdrawals globally, with a monthly limit of £1,500. For frequent international travelers or those who prefer to withdraw cash abroad, Chase's higher fee-free withdrawal limit could be a significant advantage. Customer service. In the digital age, responsive and helpful customer support is paramount, especially when there are no physical branches to visit. Both Monzo and Chase offer in-app chat support. Monzo has built a reputation for friendly and generally quick customer service available 24/7. Many users praise their responsiveness and the ease of getting help directly through the app. However, like any large bank, there can be occasional reports of issues, particularly concerning account freezes, though Monzo maintains these are for security purposes. Chase also offers 24/7 in-app chat support and phone support. Many users report positive experiences with Chase's customer service, often citing quick response times and helpful agents. The fact that they offer both chat and phone support provides a good level of accessibility. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.